What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So guess what? We gained another zero. Now, I talked about this in the live stream a little bit. I wanted to focus on Shiba Inu in the live stream and really, talk about that position and where we see it going and all of that stuff. But it ended up, switching and, turning to Terra Luna Classic and everything that's going on there because of the fact that we gained another zero, which I mistakenly put lost a zero. We gained a zero. It did decrease to a level of 0.00009. And I wanted to discuss what's going on here, discuss what's happening within the position, and if it will drop further, right? That's what everybody wants to know, is if things are going to continue on this route and what we can expect really. Now, understand that nothing is 100% predictable. If I do give any type of prediction, which I usually don't give any type of major prediction, I just want to warn people in certain areas, whether it can go up or down, the percentages of seeing this to move in certain levels. So I just wanted to make that known. But before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. There is a Discord group in the link below if you guys want to check out the Luna Discord group or the Shiba Inu Discord group or the Patreon with my personal Discord group. You can always join that. And if you want a exit plan, right, we have the exit plan of Terra Luna and what we should or what you should do within your position. You can get an Excel spreadsheet, plug your Luna in there, and you'll be able to type in whatever your exit plan will be at certain prices. So feel free to join the Patreon, get that spreadsheet, and then you'll be set up for that exit plan or any other exit plan that you want. I think I have like Kronos. I also have Shiba Inu, and I have Terra Luna. So definitely check those out. But we're here to talk about Terra Luna Classic and what's going on with the price, because it was a main topic in the live stream today. After initially starting with Shiba Inu, everything shifted to Terra Luna Classic, and for good reason. I mean, you look at what happened with Terra Luna Classic compared to the entire market, right? The entire market, this is trending, by the way. The entire market is down by 4%, but Terra Luna Classic is down by 11.35%, or almost 12% there, down to 0.00009502. So it gained another zero, which essentially gives you another buying opportunity, right? It's not about just seeing it as a complete negative. It also can be seen as a positive, right? Especially in a lot of people's cases that bought above this point, right? So some people are happy, some people are sad, some people are questioning whether it's going to drop further so that they can buy more. Some people are questioning whether it's going to drop further so they can sell all of it and then buy in lower, right? Which is, I think, a horrible strategy to live by, because no one can predict the absolute bottom. No one can predict anything in crypto, right? The down markets, people are happy when they predict it, but then, other times they can't predict it at the right time. They can't predict that it's going to increase at the right time. And, it's understandable why we can't predict it, right? We don't know how things are going to absolutely move. So I want to let that be known. If you look at the volume, though, this is a key point, right? The volume is up by 53%. It's up to $163 million in 24 hours. Now, the reason why we're seeing this, a lot of negative volume, a lot of positive volume that's going through, people that are buying at the lows and also selling at some of these lows, right? Where they see it increase a little bit, they sell that position because they feel like it's not going to make some of these moves. If you would have invested at the lowest point, which I believe was 0.0000 like 7 or 6 or something. This lowest point for this spurt, this point, you would have been able to gain somewhere around double your money. And that's probably what people are seeing. They're losing some of those gains that they've had. So they're like, you know what? I want to protect my gains because I feel like it's going to drop further. So they're selling the position. That's exactly what you are seeing there. Up 52% in volume doesn't mean that it's going to be positive. Now, if you had a 1.2% burn tax in it, then that would be labeled as positive because you're burning off with every transaction that you do have. If you look at the total supply, that hasn't really changed. We're at 6.906. So 6.9 trillion, 6.906 trillion. Right. And then we're looking at 6.5 trillion or almost 6.6 trillion for the total circulating supply. Market cap is lower than that 700 million mark. It's at 619 million. Fully diluted is 656 million in the fully diluted market cap. If we look over the last day, we can see that this has decreased. Again, 12% that it has decreased. Over the last 7 days, it has fallen a little bit more, where we're seeing it at 0.00012 versus the 0.000 like 1 or 11. If we look at a month, we've seen this go from a lower level from where it was at 0.00059, close to that, the lowest level, I guess 5.54 or 5.2, all the way up to a high here of 0.00016 in the last month. If we look at the last 3 months, obviously we're going to get the factor of the all-time highs there, and we have a lot of consolidation as we go through these days. So if we look at this period from where it was May 15th all the way to where it is now, we've seen this drop a hell of a lot over that time. Now, somewhere in between there, I ended up buying at those lows, the lowest low that I can possibly get, which I think was like 5 zeros or 6 zeros or something, and was able to make a ton of money out of it buying that low. But the one thing people are wondering is if it's going to drop further. Well, the trend looks like it's going to continue to drop, right? Decreasing to certain lows, seeing certain highs, maybe having a couple of touch points, but creating a lower high and a lower low here in that trend. And right now, it hasn't created a lower low than this point. So I look for that trend to actually break, right? It looks like it's going to continue just on the basis of looking at a position like this, seeing it like that. However, it hasn't created that lower low. I don't see that creating the lower low. Now, if it does happen, which I think is a small percentage chance of it happening, if it does happen, then we're going to see a ton of opportunity for at least me to buy, right? I bought where I spent $40 to buy 65 million. So it was a very, very low price. And if I can get back down to those lows, I will buy more. But until I get back down to those points, I'm not going to buy any more. However, I don't believe that it's going to make that move. I don't believe it's going to fall lower than this 0.0000, I guess 48 level, whatever this lowest level is, right? If I look at it in the last month, maybe it'll give me 0.0000517, I guess, in the last month. But yeah, I don't expect it to drop lower than that. I expect it to increase and start catching it on the way up. So creating a higher high, higher low. So a higher high than whatever this point is, which is 0.000082. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't really line up, because right now we're sitting at, I guess, 0.00009, which is higher than where we were at. So I don't know what's going on here, why it's not showing the entire thing. There we go. It wasn't showing the full picture there. So yeah, I expect it, come on. I expect it to create some of these higher highs. It has a double touch point here, and I expect it to create a higher low. So it's breaking that point. It could be breaking that point with this higher low and creating a higher high and finding its way or finding its groove on the way up from there. So I see nothing but positivity in my book. I see consolidation in the entire crypto market, and Terra Luna is going to have a lot of things, or a lot of catalysts to push it forward, especially the 1.2% burn, especially there's a token out there, Lunatics, that's being created. And I don't know when the sale is, the pre-sale is. I don't know if they already had it. I didn't look into it anymore. But they're looking to burn LUNC as well. And we just want to see more and more LUNC get a chance to be burned, especially at a lower than $1 billion market cap. It's a no-brainer. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, definitely check out those links. If you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.